Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to use the compound light microscope. This is a compound light microscope, meaning that it uses a light source, and here is a button to turn it on right here, okay, and it has two or more lenses. There's a lens here in the eyepiece called the ocular lens, and each of the objectives has one or more lenses in it as well that allows us to magnify an object that we want to see. When using the microscope, we want to make sure that when we begin that the stage is as low as possible. To do that, I'm going to make sure that I take the coarse adjustment knob and I'm going to turn it away from my body as much as possible until I can't turn it anymore. That is going to help to drop the stage all the way down. In this microscope, the stage is in its lowest setting. Then I'm going to take whatever I want to see, place it on top of the stage, and make sure that it is secured under the stage clips. I also have to make sure that when I turn the microscope on, whatever I want to view is over the hole in the middle of the stage and is lit up. Otherwise, I won't be able to see it. Okay? Next thing I need to make sure I do is focus the microscope. To focus the microscope, I have to look into the eyepiece, and while I look into the eyepiece, I'm going to turn the coarse adjustment knob, which is this big wheel here, towards my body until I can see it clearly. It's coming into view. Coming into view, and now it's clear. I can also turn the fine adjustment knob, which is attached to the coarse adjustment knob, to sharpen the image. Welcome back. Once you have the image focused in scanning first, which is the red objective, you're going to be able to move it to low power, and you shouldn't need to make too many adjustments. To do that, I'm going to turn the nose piece and make sure that the low power objective is clicked into place. When I look through the eyepiece now, the pointer needs to be touching a part of whatever I want to see. Otherwise, if I go to a higher power, I won't be able to see that image. So again, this time I can still adjust using the coarse adjustment knob first, really small amounts, and then the fine focus to sharpen the image and make it more clear. When I'm ready to go to high power, it needs to be focused first in low, okay? And then all you do is simply switch the objective by turning the nose piece to the high power objective. Notice that when I do this, the distance between the slide itself and the objective lens is super small. So make sure that you do not move the big coarse adjustment knob. That's going to raise the stage, and the slide and the objective could come into contact and possibly break. So now when I look through, the pointer, which is in the eyepiece, is touching part of the E, and I'm just going to adjust the fine focus knob. And there we have it. That's how you focus the microscope.